Okay, let's look at the homework 4.6 5.1 problem number 4. Alright, so let's do this problem. Alright, so weekly sales S is given in terms of the weekly advertising cost X. So this is a equation given right here. Right, then it says that the current advertising costs are $2,500. All right, so let's start writing these down. Right, so we have an equation here. Right, so I'm going to write that down. So S is equal to 50,000 minus 20,000 e to the negative 0.0004x. Right, and then we have weekly advertising costs are 2,500, so that's X is currently 2,500. All right, then these costs are increasing at, so it's increasing at let's see, so increasing at the rate of $600 per week. All right, so we're talking about dx over dt. Right, this is equal to 600. Right, then we're looking for the current rate of change of the sale. So we're looking for ds over dt. Right, so this is what we're looking for. Right, so let's do that. All right, first we need to take the derivative. So take the derivative with respect to x. So d over dt. Right, so derivative of s is that ds over dt is equal to, right, so that derivative of the constant is 0. So derivative of that, so it's negative 20,000, right, and derivative of this is going to be exactly the same thing, negative 0.0004x, and derivative of that is times negative 0.0004, then you have to multiply by dx over dt. All right, so we can just plug everything in. So you're going to have a negative 20, actually maybe I should, there's a negative here, cancel out. All right, then you have let's see, I'm gonna erase this guy right here. All right, so let's just multiply it out. So let's say you have 1 2 3 4 zeros, right? So using those 4 zeros, we can put the 1 2 3 4 zeros, so it's gonna be just 4. All right, so 4 times 2 would be 8. All right, so we have 8 here. All right, then you have e to the negative 0.0004. Right, x is 2,500. Right, then multiply by, all right, so that's already taken care of, dx is 600. All right, so that's going to be 6 times 8 is 48, and you have 2 zeros, e to the negative. All right, so what are these? So we have 2 zeros here, and you can put dot right here. All right, so 25 times 0.04 would be this would be just 1, right? So because it's going to be 100, so 4 times 25 is 100, 2 decimal points, so it's going to be 1. So this guy is going to be simply 1. So you have e to the negative 1, right? So let's compute that. Okay, so it's 4,800 times e to the, oh, that's 10 to the, sorry, so let's delete that. And e to the, where is it? Right here. E to the negative 1, right? Then hit enter, right? So we got 1,765. Right, says that so this is about, oh sorry, right, so the value is $1,765.82, right? So let's type it in. Okay, it was actually a nearest integer, so I should have put 1,765. Oops. Let's see. All right, 1,765 or 66 actually. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.